everyone, what is up you guys? It's Shia. Welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can tell by the title, that today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my clean girl makeup look. It's special for my Indian girls. Like as you guys can see, I've done the same like right now, and in the following video I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. It's basically a kind of tutorial, so watch the video till the end. Well, without further ado, let's get started. So let's do a very quick before. So here is my before look. I have not a single drop of makeup on. Like you guys can see how ugly I am. Okay, so let me just tie my hair first, for which I'm using these fancy bobby pins. So I'm just gonna apply them to my hair. Open up. Okay. Now let's just start applying the makeup. But before makeup, always remember that for the clean girl makeup look, you always have to do your skincare first, because according to me, like, I really don't apply any kind of foundation when I do clean girl makeup routine. But if you want to apply foundation, you can do that, but always use a light coverage foundation. Plus, if you're not applying foundation, always be good with your skincare, because good skincare is equals to good makeup. So well, I'm already done with my skincare, and if you want the video about my skincare routine, then here's the link. I've already made one. You can go watch it and follow the skincare steps so that you get clear flawless skin just like this. And now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna apply some aloe vera gel for hydration. Like, the more your skin is hydrated, the more flawless your clean makeup is going to look. So what I'm gonna do is just apply some aloe vera gel. It also gives that glow, and honestly, it's just super good for the skin too. Okay. I'm just gonna take some aloe vera gel. Okay, so as always, it came out way too much. So now I'm just gonna apply it on my whole face. Of course, I was just going to apply it under my eyes for that hydration. It also helps with my dark circles, but now I'm just gonna apply it on all over my face, because just apply it to my whole face. Always remember to massage your face in circular motion, and always upwards and never downwards. Always you need to massage your face upwards. I'm going to massage it unless it gets all absorbed, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now I'm done with my aloe vera gel, and you guys can already see the glow that is on my face. I mean, it's not the lighting, it's actual glow that this aloe vera gel gives to my skin, and I'm just absolutely in love with it. So now I'm just going to apply this essential oil to my face to just lock everything in. Gonna open it up, take a little, and just gonna apply it right here. It's actually the glow that this oil gives, and it's just so good. Now I'm going to apply my clear lip balm on my lips for some time, like until I apply my all makeup to my face, and then I'm just going to remove it or just let it absorb so that my lips don't look chappy and cracked. Alright, so now let's start with our makeup. So the first thing that I'm applying is my concealer, which is almost out, but I don't care. It's still, there's still something left in it. I'm just gonna use it. What I'm actually going to do is that I'm going to apply this under my eyes, like where my dark circles really show, like this. I'm not gonna do this and this thing, because I just watched it a couple of days ago on Snapchat that the people that have broad faces like the way I have, it doesn't work for them very well, because it highlights that area and makes, a face look even more broader. So I'm just not gonna do that, and I'm gonna apply a little on my forehead, and I always like my chin to stand out, so I'm just gonna apply here, the corner of my nose, here and here, of course. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend it using my half cut beauty blender. I don't know why it's like that, but I have this, you know, many years ago I just bought this, so it's still working. I'm just gonna use it. Really not doing this like with any kind of mirror. I'm just looking in my camera. So I blended the concealer and now I'm just gonna set everything with some Wills powder. So I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes, on the nose bridge, where I just applied the concealer. We're done with the baking and now I'm going to contour this ugly nose of mine, for which I'm using this Huda Beauty palette. Please do not look at it like that. I know it's almost broken, but who cares? I'm just gonna use this color, which is called Soothe. I'm going to take this with my fingers. I actually contour my nose with my fingers. Like I'm just gonna, you know, make a line through my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna blend this up. And you can already see the difference. Like, yes. I'm just gonna put a little line here and here to make the circle, which, you know, will naturally make my, you know, give my nose a little lifted look. I just saw Amber Shawl doing this, so I'm just gonna do it too. I don't know if it will work on my nose or not, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Yeah, so this is it. My nose is contoured. Now I'm gonna apply highlighter. For highlighter, I'm again using the palette, and I'm taking this broken shade, which is called Moon Dust, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, apply it on my nose bridge. You can see it instantly makes my nose stand out. And now a little on the tip of my nose. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go for my eyeshadow, for which I'm using this shade here, Sandalwood, and I'm just gonna apply it over my eyes like this. Just roughly, I'm gonna apply it on my eyes. I'm just gonna apply a little on my eyes and also underneath, so that everything, you know, just connects underneath here. Now again, I'm gonna use this as a highlighter to put this on the inner corners. It just makes the whole look so much better. And you guys can already see the difference. Now I'm going to contour my face, for which I'm again using this Soothe color. Just gonna take a little and I'm gonna make that fish face of mine, like always remember there should be no hard lines and everything just needs to look natural. So now the contouring is done and I'm going to use the eyeshadow as my blush. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Man Eater. Just going to take this one, like just a little, and I'm going to apply here. I'm going to take my clear lip balm, just take a little, I'm just going to apply it here and here. Well, this is an Instagram hack and now I'm just going to see if it actually works or not. So I'm just going to take my brush, I'm just going to blend it all. And let's see if it actually works or not. Well, it doesn't seem to work already. Let's see if it does. Okay, nothing is happening so far. Nope. Well, nothing is actually happening, so I'm just gonna take some more of it. Take some more. Okay, so this one's working. Making my skin even more better. And I'm just gonna, wipe the extra product off with my hands. I always do that. I know it looks so weird, but it kind of works for me. So yeah, now I'm just gonna apply a little brush on my nose, like why not? Okay, so now I'm going to apply some mascara on my eyes. No. Okay, so for the lips, like I always like them to stand a little out, for which I'm just going to overline them and then use a nude lipstick that I bought a million years ago. So I'm just gonna overline my lips a little. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use this one. It's again empty, but it still has a little left. So I'm just gonna take that and apply it right here. And yeah, that's for the highlighter, for which I'm again using this shade Moon Dust right here. Just, you know, in love with this shade. I'm just going to apply a lot of highlighter all over my cheekbones. You can already see, you know, the glow. And now it's time for the inner corners. I always create inner corners in my eye, no matter I, you know, do the winged eyeliner or not. I always create inner corners to make my, you know, eyes look way more attractive and add that depth to my eyes. Yes, that's it. You guys can see the difference that it creates from before to after. It just makes my eyes look way more attractive. And I'll just add a little like here in this area, so that my eyes don't look kind of weird and they look all connected. Now for the brows, I'll do nothing but just, you know, brush them up a little. Always brush them upwards. So yeah, this is all about the makeup, and now I'm just gonna do my hair off camera and be right back in a second. So I'm done with the hair. You guys can see I just made a sleek look. You know, when honestly, like every time I do my clean girl makeup routine, I always make my hair, you know, like backwards and sleek and all tight, and always my baby hairstyles, that it actually adds to the makeup look and makes it look way more clean. So last but not the least, always to make the look even more better attractive, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of perfume. And yeah, so before the reveal, what I think is that we should do a little quick before look. So the final look is this. I'm honestly so happy with what I just created. Like, look at the glow your skin is having, and all the nude makeup, it just, you know, comes together. It's not way too much, it's not little, it's just perfect. Also the sleek hair, you know, it adds to the whole lot of makeup look. Like, it makes it look even more cleaner. And I don't know just what to say, just look at this beauty just created. So the eyebrows are on sleek, and yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If yes, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all the good stuff you guys always do. Plus, we've just reached our 200 subscribers. I know it's nothing, but it means so much to me. Like, I'm so happy from the inside. Like, thanks a lot to every one of you. Like, you just made something little so much big for me. And okay, on that note, let's just end it here, and I'll be back with a new video very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned, and guess it's till next time.